In this tutorial, we will guide you on how to draw attractive landscape with simple tools and techniques. So without wasting much time, let's start the video. First select the line and drag it like this. Using the fill with the color tool, select different colors from the color palette. After that, go to resize, click on pixels, deselect maintain aspect ratio, remove the size using Ctrl X and put 1 there, then click OK. Again go to resize, click on pixel, deselect maintain aspect ratio and paste the first number again in place of 1, then click OK. Select the brush tool with a soft edges, change the color and prepare the mountains. Select the line and let's create a straight line. Let's also draw the bulb and the moon using oval tool. Let's draw star in a sky. Use the shape tool and change the color to make a lighthouse. Also draw the birds. So see friends, here we have created a attractive landscape in MS Paint. If you like this video, please like, share and subscribe to our channel. See you in the next video. Thank you.